Natural light plays a powerful role in how a home looks, feels, and functions. In Frisco, where bright Texas sunshine is abundant year-round, homeowners are always looking for ways to make the most of that light without sacrificing comfort or energy efficiency. One simple yet highly effective solution is installing awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a subtle, modern look while delivering practical benefits. Beyond their sleek design, these windows are especially effective at enhancing natural light throughout your home. If you're looking to brighten your living spaces while maintaining privacy and ventilation, awning windows may be the perfect upgrade. Maximizing sunlight without compromise. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is their ability to invite in generous amounts of natural light. Because they typically feature large panes of uninterrupted glass, they allow more sunlight to enter compared to traditional multi-pane designs. Fewer muntins and frames mean less obstruction, resulting in a cleaner, brighter interior. In Frisco homes where open-concept living areas are popular, awning windows can dramatically improve the flow of light from room to room. Placed higher on walls, they allow sunlight to penetrate deeper into your living spaces while maintaining wall space for furniture and decor below. This makes them especially valuable in family rooms, kitchens, and home offices where both brightness and functionality matter. Brightening smaller or hard-to-reach spaces. Awning windows are also ideal for areas that don't always get as much attention when it comes to natural light. Bathrooms, laundry rooms, and hallways often feel darker and more enclosed. Installing awning windows higher up on the wall brings in daylight while preserving privacy. Because they can be installed above eye level, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of sunlight without the need for heavy window treatments. The result is a fresher, more inviting atmosphere in spaces that might otherwise rely heavily on artificial lighting. Letting light in. Even when it rains, Frisco weather can shift quickly, but awning windows offer a unique advantage. They can remain open during light rain. Since the glass panel tilts outward from the bottom, it creates a small shield that helps prevent water from entering. This means you can continue enjoying natural light and fresh air, even during a passing shower. Improved ventilation combined with daylight enhances indoor comfort while reducing dependence on overhead lighting and air conditioning. For homeowners focused on energy efficiency, this can translate into noticeable savings over time. Enhancing energy efficiency while natural light is a priority, managing heat gain is equally important in Texas homes. Modern awning windows are often built with energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings and insulated frames. These features help filter harsh UV rays and reduce unwanted heat while still allowing bright, comfortable daylight to fill your rooms. By increasing daylight exposure, you can rely less on artificial lighting during the day. Over time, this contributes to lower electricity usage and a more sustainable home. When professionally installed and properly sealed, awning windows also provide excellent insulation, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Complementing modern home design, awning windows offer more than just practical benefits. They enhance curb appeal and interior aesthetics as well. Their clean lines and versatile sizing options make them a popular choice for both contemporary and traditional Frisco homes. They pair beautifully with large picture windows, often installed above or below them to create a dynamic combination of fixed and operable glass. This layered approach not only increases light exposure but also adds architectural interest to your home's exterior. Inside, the added daylight makes colors appear more vibrant and spaces feel larger. Natural light highlights flooring, cabinetry, and decor elements, creating a warm and welcoming environment for both everyday living and entertaining guests. A smart investment in comfort and value. Upgrading to awning windows is more than a design choice. It's an investment in your home's comfort and long-term value. Homes filled with natural light tend to feel more open, airy, and appealing to future buyers. In a thriving community like Frisco, thoughtful window upgrades can make a meaningful difference in both livability and resale potential. If you're looking to brighten your home, improve ventilation, and elevate your interior spaces, awning windows offer a stylish and practical solution. By capturing Frisco's abundant sunshine and distributing it throughout your home, these windows help create a space that feels more connected to the outdoors and more enjoyable every day.